In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom activities in Close CRM. Whether you're new to Close CRM or a seasoned user, using custom activities allows you to tailor the platform to better fit your team's unique processes and reporting needs. Let's dive into the details on how to set these up and get the most value out of them. First, we'll start by navigating to Settings. You'll want to head over to your profile icon, which you'll find conveniently located at the top right corner of the screen. Once you've clicked there, look for the Customizations option. Click on Custom Activities to proceed with creating a new custom activity type. Now that we're in the right place, it's time to create a new type. You'll see an option to add a new custom activity. Simply click the plus New Custom Activity button. This is where you can start to define what this new activity will encompass and how it will be structured for your team's workflow. When naming your activity, take a moment to consider what will make it clear and descriptive for you and your team. For example, you might call it something like Discovery Call Insights, Webinar Attendance, Form Submission, or Customer Interview. The goal here is to ensure that anyone looking at the activity can instantly understand its purpose. Next, you'll be redirected to add custom fields to your new activity type. Think of these fields as the specific pieces of information you need to capture during this activity. For example, let's say we're setting up a custom activity for Discovery Call Insights. You might include fields such as Goal of the Call, which would be a text field. Pain Point 1, another text field, is Lead Qualified, where you can include a single-choice answer of yes or no, and next step date, which would be a date and time field. Remember, you can mark fields as required to make sure essential data isn't overlooked by your team, which is a great way to maintain data quality and completeness. Once you're satisfied with the fields you've added, go ahead and save them. Your custom activity type is now ready for use, marking the end of Phase 1. Now let's move on to Phase 2. Logging a custom activity instance. Once your type is defined, any user within your CRM can begin to log it for specific leads. To start this process, navigate to the lead page where you want to log your activity. In the activity feed, click on the drop-down menu where you would typically log a call or note. From this menu, you should now see your newly created custom activity type. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a structured form featuring the custom fields you defined earlier. Fill in the necessary data, and once you're all set, simply click Save. This completed custom activity will now be visible in the lead's activity timeline, along with all the detailed data you captured in those custom fields. And there you have it, a detailed explanation on how to effectively use custom activities in Close CRM. By following these steps, you can ensure that your team captures essential information accurately, allowing for more precise reporting and better informed decision-making.